Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is my morning routine video. I get up, tidy up my bed, take a shower, get dressed, do my hair and makeup real quick, nothing fancy. And then I make sure that all the blinds and windows are opened, and then I have my coffee and I relax. Hopefully this video inspires you. Enjoy! And finally, I can enjoy my coffee as I sit down and read a magazine before the kids get up. After they're awake, I'll go on to do all of my routines, which I will be uploading videos about in the future. Like, subscribe, and make sure to click the bell icon so you get notified when I post. Bye.